Being involved in ladies football has given me so many opportunities throughout the years. I just love to be able to create a space where people can get those opportunities, or younger girls can get those opportunities going forward, you know. When I started playing football, I was very young, I was about 8 or 9. My home club is Ballymacarbery, and from the very first day I went down there, I was surrounded by great role models. The majority of the senior girls were actually playing with the Waterford junior team, and I remember going to Croke Park in 1986 actually in the Junior All-Ireland, and they were actually making history, you know, and it was the first ladies football match to be ever played, or All-Ireland to be ever played there. My induction to the LGFA and to the game itself was second to none really, like it was great, you know. At county level to win All-Irelands at under 16 and minor. Again, I was very lucky, I suppose, the year I was born, and to break onto a senior team in the early 90s when Waterford had huge successes throughout the 90s, you know.
Gathered by Fiona Crotty.
I have so many memories as a player. Some memories, I suppose, that funny ones that probably can't be spoken about, I can't tell you. But one of the biggest memories for me was the 91 All-Ireland final. That was my first senior All-Ireland final, and I remember at the time standing in Croke Park just bursting with pride. And at the time there was probably, I don't know, about 5,000 or 6,000 supporters there. Looking up at the stand and being able to pick out my parents, you know, and knowing that they were so proud. And like, unfortunately my dad passed away there just last year actually, and I know he'd be really proud again today.
Fiona Crotty steps up from second to third gear, going into fourth and kicking over the ball.
In Ballyduff Lower, we actually operate under a one club system. We really have the support of the local GAA here, which is fantastic. I love the crack we have with the girls down on the pitch here. I mean, Saturday mornings, like, their little faces running out onto the pitch just for a game of football is great. A couple of years ago I was involved in the organising committee in Waterford for the World Games. Our own club here, actually, we hosted the South African team, and it was such good fun. But like, even that whole week of the World Games inside in WIT, like, was just amazing to see the amount of nations there, like, playing our sport, like, was just amazing. At county level then, I was involved in a committee a couple of years ago that developed the strategic plan for ladies football. From there then I was voted in as vice chair, so there was no escape, and there was always a job to do. But look, do you know, as I said, when you've good people around you, it's easy to do those things. Presently then I'm managing the under-14 county team, so it's all go, but it's great fun. I was involved with underage development for years, you know, with under-13s and under-15s throughout the years before I got involved in the county teams itself. Just to see the girls when, you know, during a match, if they score or, you know, they master a skill, just to see their faces, it's just great. I love it. Your heart lies in a club, really, and the girls, and it's just I think it's an honour, I suppose, and a privilege to be able to give back. You know, there's so many people for years, I suppose, that worked behind the scenes to create memories for me, you know, and I just think it's a privilege to be in that position, to be able to do that now and to try and support them to create their own memories. That's fabulous. I'm absolutely delighted. I'm blown away, actually, because so many people do so much. But thank you very much. Thank you.